The story of Aisha and the golden coins. Aisha was a kind and generous girl who lived in a small village. One day, her father gave her 10 shiny gold coins as a gift. She was so happy and thought about all the things she could buy: new clothes, toys, and delicious sweets. But then, Aisha's mother sat beside her and said, "My dear, do you know about Zakah?" Aisha shook her head. "What is Zakah, Mama?" Her mother smiled and explained, "Zakah is a special way of sharing our wealth with those who need it. Allah has blessed us with money, and He wants us to help others, especially the poor, the orphans, and those who have very little." Aisha thought for a moment and asked, "But how much should I give?" Her mother replied, "Zakah is only a small part of what we have, just 2.5% of our savings. But even a little kindness can make a big difference." Aisha looked at her golden coins and decided to give one of them to a poor woman in the village. The woman was so happy and made dua for Aisha. Aisha felt a warm feeling in her heart. It was the joy of giving. That night, Aisha asked her mother, "Mama, will I get poor if I give my money away?" Her mother hugged her and said, "No, my dear. When we give for the sake of Allah, He blesses us with even more. Zakah purifies our wealth and brings us happiness and barakah." From that day on, Aisha always remembered to give zakah and help those in need. And she learned that true happiness comes from sharing and caring for others. Moral of the story: giving zakah helps us purify our wealth, brings blessings, and makes us more caring and kind. Allah rewards those who give with a sincere heart. Please subscribe to our channel for more Islamic stories.